What is up, funnel hackers? Really quick, let's devise a couple of cash injection tips. All right, my favorite type of strategy is just inject a whole bunch of cash into your business into a relatively short period of time. Now, some of you might be doing some of these, some of you might not be, but pay attention because this can bring quite a few bit of revenue into your business really quick. So we have 5 steps over here that I love talking about so much. First one over here to bring some cash into your business is offering some sort of lead magnet. Now, ChatGPT AI is incredibly powerful. So you can create an infinite amount of ebooks offering free shit to people very quickly, very fast, and very cheap. So for the first portion over here, what I always recommend when I tell people is hop on your social media, okay? Hop on your social media and offer something for free. Who doesn't love free shit? Almost just about, I want to say 60% of people, if not like everybody, is going to take you up on the opportunity to get your free shit. And all you got to do is be like, hey, if you want to get, I don't know, just for example, credit bureau pops on the top of my mind. If you want to get the ebook on how to boost your credit score by 60 points in 30 days, click the link over here. Take them over to a little lead form, take them over to a calendar to schedule an appointment, whatever you got to do to give them this lead form over here, to give them this little free upfront little ebook. Now, oftentimes you can give it away for free. Sometimes if you're running ads to it, you may want to make it just very cheap, maybe $50, maybe $97, just something to cover the cost of ad spend. Whereas if you just kind of just hand it away to people, you know, you're putting it on your social media, maybe you put it on your Linktree bio, then just give it away for free, honestly, okay? But offering some sort of lead magnet is a great way to just introduce other people into your business, okay? And from there, what I always recommend people to do is you offer some sort of little lead magnet. Now let's just draw it over here. Let's say you offer an ebook over here. Okay? That's a couple ways of bringing them to this ebook. Obviously, you can take them over to a landing page. You can take them over to a landing page, or you can just put on like your Linktree bio. You can put on your social media, Instagram bio. So bio over here. Okay? From your bio, you can take them directly to the ebook. Now, what you can also do is you can set up some sort of funnel over here where they hit the landing page. In order to get access to the ebook, they have to give you something in exchange, like a phone number or an email. So over here, maybe they click on the button over here, pop up, boom, click me over here. A little pop-up appears, asks for the name, their phone number, and then email. Okay? So what I always suggest if you're doing something, a simple funnel like that, is I always suggest make their name required, make their email required, but don't necessarily make their phone number required because that creates a lot more added friction. Not everybody wants to give you your phone number right away. So that's the first thing over here. Offer some sort of lead magnet to bring people in, okay? Introduce people. You know, once they have the ebook, you're more likely free. You're able to contact them like, hey, how's it going with the ebook? Do you like the ebook? Did you find value off the ebook? Create a conversation with them and sell them on something further. Because most likely, rather than not, if they find incredible value in something that you offer them for free, if they find incredible value in something that you offer them for free, very cheaply, they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I just spent $100 with this dude and I got this amount of value. Imagine if I spent $1,000 with this dude. Imagine how much incredible value I can get from this, okay? So really quick, offer ebooks. Offer some sort of lead magnet. Second thing over here, invite to coaching. Now, I actually love this one. I love this. Because if you have something like a Facebook group, YouTube, Instagram, I know we're going about social media a lot, but I absolutely love social media because it's a great way to get more free clients. So I always talk about social media. But invite to some sort of coaching program. I've done this a lot for credit repair. So for example, I have this Facebook group. It's called Credit Repair Marketing, okay? And what I do with this group is oftentimes I found new solutions to getting more clients or credit repair companies. You know, one might be a lead source. I find a new lead source. I'm going to put up a post like, hey guys, I got this new lead source. I want to partner up with a couple of hustling, motivated credit repair companies to be able to build out a AI-based nurture sequence to take these leads and turn into paying clients in the hopes of eventually, later down the line, once you start making money, we come up with some sort of compensation plan so we're both happy. What I'm trying to say is that you put up customized coaching programs, customized programs that you have on your Facebook group. Another great example that I've done in the past is, hey guys, I just developed with this new client. I just partnered up with this new client and we developed an amazing strategy on how to get a whole bunch of affiliates from specifically mortgage brokers. How to get a whole bunch of clients by leveraging mortgage brokers and leveraging voicemail drops and emails. Who wants to learn how to do this? You put up a simple post like that on a Facebook group or your Instagram story, YouTube channel, anything, and I guarantee you're gonna be getting calls, because if you have some sort of solution that people find valuable, they're gonna be calling you, okay? Honestly, you don't even need to have a whole bunch of call to actions, because if they find it valuable, they want to know more. Cool. Next one over here. Step 3 over here. Retargeting ads. I love this. You call this retargeting ads or phase 1, whatever you want to call it, because realistically, and I'm gonna go over this in the next section, and we're gonna be talking about actual running some ads. Retargeting ads are the first ones that you don't want to hit, especially if you want a quick cash injection. So what you're gonna do, first couple of ads that you want to hit, okay, is you don't want to hit these ads out to people that engage with your social media. You can create a custom Facebook audience, look up social engagers, people that engage with your Instagram or your Facebook or your Facebook page, and hit them with social engagers with at least 30 days. Next one is do people who have messaged you in the past at least 60 days. People who have messaged your Instagram or your Facebook page. Hit those people up, okay? Hit those people with some ads, okay? With that offer, the offer that we're talking about in the last video. Next thing over here is story posts. Story posts, and we call it also polls, because I love polls as well. Story posts and polls get me an incredible amount of clients. Story posts, telling a story on your IG story or telling a story on your Facebook. Really start driving some people in there. And put up a poll on this. I love putting polls up on my stories, and I love putting polls up on my Facebook group. You put up a poll in there, you'd be like, hey guys, what are you more interested in? You're interested in automating your business? You're interested in selling? You're interested in marketing solutions? You're interested in paid ads? What are you interested in? And everybody that answers this poll, what are you gonna do? Just hit those people up, hop on a call with them, figure out exactly what they need, and provide with them with some sort of price tag on it. Cool. Next one over here, DM hustle. The DM hustle. Now I love this because this really just started my business. This really kicked off my business back when I was in college, back before I dropped out of college. The DM hustle is quite simply just like this. Let's say you are in the same niche that I am in. I offer marketing solutions. What you would want to do is you want to go on someone like Gary Vee's Instagram account, okay? Hop on Gary Vee's Instagram account, check out all the people that's following him, check out all the people that like his posts, check out all the people that comment his posts. Check them all out, see if you get those businesses. More than likely or not, people that are following Gary Vee are interested in what he's interested in marketing, okay? They will go into Gary Vee's page to find marketing tips. Alex Hormozi is another great example. Hop on Alex Hormozi's Instagram channel, Instagram page, Facebook page, YouTube. Check out everybody that's commenting. Check out everybody that's liking. And hustle. Hit those people up. Message those people. Check out their bio. Check out their website. Be like, hey, I love your website, but this could be better because of this. We can bring in more sales because of this. I can do this for you, and I'll do it for free. I can bring in more revenue this way. Hit those people up. More likely than not, if you're talking money to somebody, they're going to love you, okay? And you're going to have a great business relationship. If you can make people money, they're not going to say no. So that's the DM hustle, guys. I mean, most people, they might overcomplicate it, but it's really that simple. Hop on a bunch of verified users, people that are similar into your niche, and just comment, message, DM hustle people that actually engage with those people. But yeah, guys, this is the 5 quick tips, 5 quick strategies to inject a whole bunch of revenue into your business really freaking quick. If you guys have any questions, you always know you can message us. I'll talk to you guys later. See you in the next section.